Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to try and refurbish this wallet. This wallet is by Charles & Keith. I've been using it for a couple of years right now, and the issue that's happened is this leather is coming off. So what I want to do is I want to just like doodle something on top of this with some acrylic ink markers, and then I want to just like make this a little seeable or usable. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to remove off all the leather, I think whichever is sticking out, like this particular thing over here, and also like drawn out a couple of options of what may look nice. So let's try and add that. This is a complete experiment that I'm doing today, so let's see how the final output comes out. So I'm just going to scrap off whatever little bit is coming off. I think it's a good idea to sand these things, but then since it's a wallet, I don't know if it can sand off, and I'm also not sure if this is genuine leather or it's not, because this was not very expensive, so I'm guessing that it's probably fox leather, so it's not really original, FAUX, so I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. So anyway, this is how it is, and I'll show you like a couple of sketches that I did. And yes, here it is. So this is the style that I want to create this in, and probably like some very abstract florals and some leaves. I really like leaves more than florals, so I'm going to try and do that, the front and the back, and let's try and create this. also ensuring that I color through the insides because I don't want any flakiness to show over there. So this will give like a nice neat finish look. So wherever there is no fabric, I'm just going to be using black over there. Wherever there is no other pattern that's coming over there, so it makes it much easier and neater to look at. So all the flakes, again, when it comes out, just remove it. We really don't know how long this is going to last, but let's make sure the amount that is going to be there, it looks very beautiful and fun to use. I absolutely love how it's coming out. I hope you're also enjoying this process. have created joining the leaf and the flower is not looking very nice. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go over it with a black because I don't like how this is. I really like how the other side looks. So let's hope that this mistake gets salvaged by just putting black over it. In now the final finishing touches, and I think my wallet looks absolutely stunning. I love how it's come out. I'm going to show you a few before and after pictures. This is how it was before. Everything was coming off flaky, looking really worn out, and this is what the final one looks like, and I am extremely happy with how it's come out. I hope you liked today's video as well.